Hi, my name's Emily from Gtech Customer Service. Today I'll be going through the Hedge Trimmer 3.0. This will also be useful if you have the Hedge Trimmer 20. This video will be broken down into various different sections so you can jump straight to the demonstration that you need. Let's get started. To attach the trimmer head, line up the two black buttons and slide the head onto the pole until you hear the click. To attach the blade, line the base up at an angle and push down until you hear a click. To attach the branch cutter, slide the attachment on and push down until you hear the click. If you're struggling to attach the branch cutter, don't force it. Use gloves and move the cog slightly and try again. Only the Hedge Trimmer 3.0 comes with a safety harness. Please make sure you wear it whilst in use. This is how you attach it. You attach the battery like this. You can adjust the safety harness like this. In case of emergency, you can remove the safety buckle like this. To start the hedge trimmer, press the safety button from either side and then pull the trigger. When one green light is flashing, that means the battery needs charging. You can remove the battery like this. You can attach the charging port like this. Charge the battery for 4 hours until 4 solid green lights appear. You can check the state of charge of the battery by pressing the green button. If the battery is left in extreme hot or cold temperatures, 4 solid red lights will appear. Please leave the battery at room temperature for 24 hours and then fully charge again. Please remove the battery before doing any adjustments. To adjust the trimmer head, press the green button down and move the head to your desired angle. You will hear it lock and click into place. Please note, if you are using the branch cutter attachment, you are not able to adjust the trimmer head on the Hedge Trimmer 3.0. This is the Hedge Trimmer 20. Please remove the battery before making any adjustments. To adjust the trimmer head, press the green button in and move the head to your desired angle. You will hear it lock and click into place. To remove the trimmer head off the Hedge Trimmer 3.0, press the black button in at the base of the head and slide the head off the pole. To release the trimmer head from the Hedge Trimmer 20, use a suitable implement to press down on the black button. Move the trimmer head slightly so the black button doesn't pop out. Now you can release the trimmer head from the pole. To remove the blade or branch cutter attachment, press the green buttons on both sides and pull to release. Please remove the battery and the blade. You can refer to previous sections if needed. To check the cog, this should move in a clockwise direction. There will be some resistance. Please wear gloves. If the cog does not rotate, the trimmer head needs replacing. If the cog does rotate, please check the cogs on the blade and branch cutter attachments. The cog will move in a clockwise direction, moving the blade. If the blade does not move, please replace your blade or branch cutter attachment. On the hub, there are lock and unlock symbols. Using a 6mm Allen key, rotate the screw clockwise to the unlock position. Please be mindful of your hands whilst doing this. Please remove the screw and the hub to release the blade. To replace the new blade, make sure the correct side is facing upwards and slide the blade under the cog cover. Now replace the hub. Now insert the screw, tightening it anti-clockwise to the lock position. If you need any more information, please visit our website.